Alright, so got the knife pretty much finished up. It's just down to shaping the handle and getting it sharpened up and just cleaning it up a bit. So this is the boring part. Here we go. Well, so that's it. Really liking the way that the handle turned out after I dipped it back into the ferrochloride. I thought that was pretty cool. I'm happy with the blade. Not perfect. I made a few mistakes along the way. Forgot to do a few things, like whenever I was gluing up the handle. Should have wrapped the blade. That would have been a smart move. Keeps glue from getting, or epoxy from getting on the actual blade. Other than that, it was a pretty fun build. I am actually giving this knife away to somebody, so hopefully they will like it, and yeah, so that should be fun. Bye.